Good morning, boys and girls. I'm glad you came to school today. Stand up and let's sing our Hello Friend song. Hello, friend. How are you? I'm very happy to see you. Greet your neighbor, boogie on down. Give a jump and turn around. Hello, friend. How are you? I'm very happy to see you. Greet your neighbor, boogie on down. Give a jump and turn around. Hello, friend. How are you? I'm very happy to see you. Greet your neighbor, boogie on down. Give a jump and turn around. All right, boys and girls, let's check our weather today. I'm looking out my window and it's very wet and I did see the rain and it's supposed to rain some more today. So the weather today is rainy. Rainy. What letter makes the sound? R. Okay, get your paper and pencil and let's write the word rainy. First letter is R. Then A, I, N, Y. The weather today is rainy. And the temperature today, boys and girls, it is cold. What letter makes the sound? C. Let's make the letter C for cold. First letter is C. Oops. Next letter is O. Then an L and a D. The temperature today is cold. So let's read the sentences together. The weather today is rainy. The temperature today is cold. So let's look at our weather chart. We need to add another tally mark to the rainy column because today is again another rainy day. So what did we say about tally marks? We put, after 4 tally marks, you need to put one going across. The 5th one goes across. 1, 2, 3, 4, and number 5 crosses them. So we have 5 days of it being rainy. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. No windy days. 1 cloudy day. 1, and 3 sunny days. 1, 2, 3. All right, boys and girls. We're still in the month of April, and yesterday was Thursday. So if you have a calendar in front of you, look for Thursday. Yesterday was Thursday, so move up 1. That means today is Friday. Yesterday was Thursday, today is Friday. And what will tomorrow be? Look at your calendar, find Friday, and move up 1 more. Saturday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. So let's read our sentences together. Yesterday was Thursday. Today is Friday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Good job. All right, let's go ahead and get moving. Meeting time. Our letter of the week is V. The letter is V and the sound is V, V, V. Just like Vinny Volcano. V, V, V. One more time. The letter is V and the sound is V, V, V. Good job. Let's go over our sight words. We're adding more and more sight words, but remember these are all words we already learned. So let's go ahead and do the first one. Stand up with me and let's do I. I. Straight and tall with a hat and shoes. I. Straight and tall with a hat and shoes. I. Last time. Straight and tall with a hat and shoes. I. Our next sight word is can. So get your basketball ready. Here we go. C-A-N, can. Again. C-A-N, can. Last time. C-A-N, can. Next word is the. Here we go. Stand up. Let's do it together. T-H-E, the. T-H-E, the. Last time, T-H-E, the. Next word is we. W-E, we. W-E, we. Last time, W-E, we. C, get those glasses ready. S-E-E, C. S-E-E, C. Last time, S-E-E, C. A, ready? A, again. A, last time. A, and like. Here we go. L-I-K-E, like. Again. L-I-K-E, like. Last time. L-I-K-E, like. And today's word that we're reviewing is to. T-O-2. So let's do it together. Ready? We're going to make a T and an O with our hands and then say two. T-O-2. T-O-2. Last time. T-O-2. Good job. Now, boys and girls, today I want to talk about shapes. When we left school, we were talking about our basic shapes. The circle, the triangle, the rectangle, and the square. And we were learning how to describe them. And a lot of you know already how to describe the shapes, but let's go ahead and do it together. This is a square. A square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the sides are equal. That means they're the same. And they have 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a square, and that's how we describe a square. That's how we tell. What we tell about the square is that it has 4 sides, 4 corners, and all the sides are equal. Now this is our rectangle. A rectangle also has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. But these sides are not equal. We have 2 short sides and 2 long sides, and it also has 4 corners. So the rectangle has 4 sides, 4 corners, but it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. And here's our triangle. The triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then the circle. We learned about the circle. Circle just goes round. There's no corners or sides to it. And we can say it's one big curved line because it keeps going around and around. So that's a circle. No sides, no corners. But today, I want to talk about all these shapes are flat. There's nothing to them. They're flat. And when we get flat shapes and they turn into 3D shapes, a 3D shape means it's solid. It's not flat like my circle. And when a circle is not flat, it is called a sphere. So this is a sphere. It's like a circle, but it's not flat. This one would actually roll. So this is like your basketball, your soccer ball, your kickball, your beach ball. It's called a sphere, boys and girls. So say it with me. Sphere. Again, sphere. Last time, sphere. So this is a circle. This is a sphere. This is a flat shape. This is a solid shape. Let's move on to our square. Our square here is also flat. So it doesn't do anything, it's just a square. But this is called a cube. See my cube? Cube. It's solid. It's not flat, it's solid. So this can be like a box. It can be a shoe box, a crayon box, any kind of, or a wooden block. We have wooden blocks in school, so it could be a wooden block. So these are solid shapes. They are solid. See them? They're not flat like my square. This is a solid shape. So say it with me. Cube. Again, cube. Last time, cube. So the squares are flat shape and the cube is our solid shape. Now let's look at this one, our rectangle. Rectangle is a flat shape. But look at this. This is a rectangular prism. It is a solid shape. So rectangles flat, rectangular prism solid. And this could be like your cereal box. It can be like your door. It can be like your TV screen. So this is rectangular prism. Rectangular prism is solid, rectangle is flat. Now here's our triangle. Our triangle is flat. Our triangular prism is solid, or we can call it a pyramid. See the pyramid? Solid, flat. Triangle, pyramid. Say it with me. Pyramid. Again. Pyramid. Last time. Pyramid. Triangle is flat. The pyramid is solid. And boys and girls, I have two more shapes I want to talk to you about. And this could be like a circle too, because it has circles on the bottom. But it is round like a circle. It can roll if I let it roll. But it's not called a sphere like the other one. This one's called a cylinder. So this is a cylinder. It has a circle on the bottom. It has a circle on the top. It can roll like a sphere, but it's called a cylinder. So say it with me, boys and girls. Cylinder. Again, cylinder. Last time, cylinder. And this one also has a circle on the bottom. I'm not sure if it can roll. If it rolls, it won't roll straight because it has a tip at the end. And this is called a cone. Now it can go like this, or it can go the other way. So it can be a cone either way. This is called a cone. This is a circle. It has a circle on the bottom, but it is not flat like the circle. It is a solid shape called a cone. Say it with me. Cone. Again, cone. Last time, cone. Good job, boys and girls. So let's go ahead and get started with circle time so we can end our day and spend the rest of our day with our moms and dads and the rest of our family. So let's do our ABCs. Sing it with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Won't you sing along with me? Good job. Here we go. Number rock. 1, 2. 1, 2. 3, 4. 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. 11, 12. 11, 12. 13, 14. 13, 14. 15, 16, 17. 15, 16, 17. 18, 19, 20. 18, 19, 20. Let's go. Singing the number rock. Said let's go. Singing the number rock. Alright, let's get ready to do our letter sounds. Ready? Who let the A out? Ah, 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 ah. Who let the B out? Ba, 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 ba. Who let the C out? K, 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 k. Who let the D out? Da, 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 da. Who let the E out? Eh, 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 eh. Who let the F out? Who let the G out? G, 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 g. Who let the H out? Who let the I out? I, 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 I. Who let the J out? J, 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 j. Who let the K out? K, 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 k. Who let the L out? Who let the O out? Ah, 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 ah. Who let the P out? Pa, 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 pa. Who let the Q out? Qua, 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 qua. Who let the R out? Who let the S out? S, 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 s. Who let the T out? T, 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 t. Who let the U out? Who let the V out? V, 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 v. Letter of the week. Who let the W out? W, 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 w. Who let the X out? X, 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 x. Who let the Y out? Y, 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 y. Who let the Z out? Z, 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 z. Good job, boys and girls. All right, let's move on to see our plant. Has anything changed with our plant? Not yet. I don't see anything coming out from the soil. There's no sprout, no stem. So let's go ahead and water it. Make sure it has plenty of water, not too much, but enough for the seeds to drink some water and get the nutrients from the soil. And we'll check back again and see if anything's happened. Now, let's say goodbye by wishing everybody well. So I'm wishing all my friends well. I hope you're having a great time at home with mom and dad and brothers and sisters, grandma and grandpas, your whole family. So I'm going to wish Roy well, Jessica, Cesar, Leila, Sofia, Anubis, Kevin, Valerie, Summer, Juan, Angel, James, Helen, Nicholas, Anze, and Annabelle. I wish you all well, and I will see you next week. Let's sing together. We wish you well. We wish you well. All through the day today, we wish you well. Have a good weekend, boys and girls. See you on Monday.